Numenta is a company which focuses on neuroscience and artificial intelligence. This company has been trying to improve the efficiency of AI systems. Just recently, they have launched the Numenta platform for intelligent computing, or NuPIC for short. This new platform is built on neuroscience research and theory of intelligence developed by their founder Jeff Hawkins. This new PIC is striving to make AI processing up to 100 times more efficient. Architecture of new PIC is quite simple, as you can see in this diagram on your screen. NuPIC's architecture allows the large language models or LLMs to run efficiently on CPUs, offering substantial cost savings and enhanced privacy. This shifts the AI landscape, which has largely been dependent on GPU, and it will also break the monopoly of few companies. What it will do is it will result in more accessible, affordable, and flexible CPU based solutions all around. One of the best features which I think is of NuPic is that it is CPU focused, as I just mentioned, because not only there is a shortage of GPUs which is not going to go away anytime soon, but they are very expensive. So any individuals, researchers, small and medium businesses, it's very hard for them to arrange and manage the GPUs even if they are in the cloud. Then this throughput thing is also good, that okay, if it is running on CPU but still they are keeping their sights fixed on the performance, because this platform offers significant performance gains, especially when run on the Intel's fourth generation Xeon scalable processors. Now, it is still not available to everyone, but only a limited number of enterprise customers. I believe that when it is released and matures, which won't be long, I believe, then this platform could significantly impact the AI processing landscape, where we all have a democratic, secure, efficient solution for AI processing. I will drop the link in video description. So if you want to request a demo, you can do so and you can read further around this good solution. Thank you.